Tactical Joe. Ito guys, yung steel plate. The best seller ni Tactical Joe. Mura eh. Yan. Tetest yan ngayon ng pistol. 45 caliber. Itong isa, level 3A din. Pero ito is polyurea. Ito yung waterproof ni Tactical Joe na binibenta. Okay? Babalikan namin kayo later after to itest. So, gagamitan natin siya ng 45 caliber, which is 20 meters.
Second shot. Third shot.
So, ito is guys. Ito na, yung steel plate ni Tactical Joe na level 3A. Okay? Isang shot, which is 20 meters din. Okay? Caliber 45 ang ginamit. Okay. Langgam lang oh. Walang tagos. No penetration. Okay? Pasok siya. Ito yung isa, yung waterproof. Dalawang shot to nangyari. Same na bala ginamit. Caliber 45 din. 20 meters. Okay? No penetration at all. Approved.